Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. In my previous video, I showed you how to wrap a round tin can using a technique called lattice wrap. And lattice wrap is awesome if you want to wrap something square too. This time I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to wrap this square box and make a flower on top using this reversible furoshiki. So this is yellowish green on one side and teal on the other side. And I want my flower petal to be teal. So I'm going to put this in the middle and do a lattice wrap. Lattice wrap goes like this. You just tie opposite corners once. Not a square knot, just once. Tie opposite corners just once. Not a square knot. And you pull. And you have these 4 corners sticking out. All right, I'll call this corner A, B, C, and D. Take the corner A, flip it over corner B. Take the corner B, flip it over corner C and A. Take corner C, flip it over corner B and D. Take corner D, flip it over corner C, and this corner goes under the loop the corner A made. And that's how you make a lattice on top, like this. And I'm going to make a flower pattern on top by taking one of the corner, fold it in half, and tuck it underneath one of the lattice knot. Take the other corner, fold and tuck. And we do this for each and every corner. And when you do all 4 corners, you have a pretty flower on top. How fun is that? If you don't have a reversible furoshiki, you can still make flower on top. You just have to twist, fold it in half, and tuck it in the middle. Twist, fold it in half, tuck it in the middle. And you do that for each and every corners. And do a little housekeeping to make it look nicer. But you can still make a pretty flower on top.